Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix video notes not showing on Instagram. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. If you are not getting video notes on your Instagram, that means you need to update your Instagram. Video notes is a new feature on Instagram where you can share videos or notes for 24 hours. To fix video notes on Instagram, first open Play Store or App Store, then tap on the search bar and type Instagram. With that, tap on Instagram. If you have new update, you'll get update option at the place of open. Make sure that you update your Instagram so that you get the video notes feature. After updating your Instagram, go back to your home screen, then open your settings. You may not be getting video notes because of your storage problem with your Instagram application. So now look for apps on the settings, then tap on apps. Now tap on manage apps. After that, look for Instagram, then tap on Instagram. Now here you can see clear data option at down right side. Tap on clear data. Then tap on clear all data. With that, all your data of Instagram will be cleared or deleted. Now go back to your home screen and open your Instagram application. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now tap on the message icon at top right corner. Then here tap on notes. Now here you can see small camera icon. That means now you can share your video notes. This is how we can fix video notes not showing on Instagram. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.